Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some...
Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, it's Beauty by A. Now, today I am going to do an eyebrow tutorial. I know it's not a full face type of look, no eyeshadow. I know I'm looking naked right now, my hair is not done up. I don't have something fancy on to wear and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do eyebrows. I'll list all the products down in the description box down below that I'm using. And before I even really get into the video, I just want to welcome all the new subscribers, new viewers. I just want to give y'all a shout out real quick because I know, sometimes I seem to forget because I'm trying to, make sure I do the intro correctly. This is my first video on my new channel, Beauty by A. I also have another channel called Asiana's Time where I just post vlogs and pranks and things like that on a daily basis. Also put the link down in the description box down below so you can just click on it and watch it on your spare time. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an eyebrow tutorial on this. I'm going to be posting every Wednesday, so make sure you look out for that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now first you want to make sure you have an angle brush just like this. Now I had one of the comb things at the end, but it fell off. This is Ardell. I don't know if I'm saying it right or wrong. Comment down below if you know the real word of it or if I'm saying it right. But yeah, I'm using one of these brushes. I got this from my local hair store. Even True concealer in the color, I believe this is the color 10. It's not really saying the, there you go. I know the lightning is not too good, but I believe this is in the color 10, so that's that. And I also have the NYX eyebrow gel. It's a waterproof gel and it's in the color black. So like I said, I'll put all that in the description down below. And then I take some, I put some on my hand. I put a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. Then what I do is I pinch it, because if the slanted brush is not, it's like everywhere is not together, then you won't get, like, the eyebrow gel will go everywhere on your eyebrow, if you get what I'm saying. So I pinch it like this, and then since I don't have the comb, I just do this. And don't worry, when I edit this, I will zoom up on my eyebrows so you guys can see what I mean. So that's that. So now what I want to do is I want to take some of my black Even True eyebrow gel, and I want to take a little bit. You guys can see it, that light. It's a lot. I don't know if you guys can see it, but to get a little bit, and I'm gonna just apply it to my eyebrows. You want to evenly do it. Now, depending on how dark you want your eyebrows, you could keep filling in toward the back. And don't be scared if you mess up, because that's what the concealer is for. I'm going to show you how to do it, how to clean it up, how to make sure you on point. You feel me? Now, at the beginning, you want to lightly add eyebrow gel, not harshly. Depending, like if you like your eyebrows like kind of boxy, and it's okay if you do. That's not my preference. I like it to look natural, so I lightly add the eyebrow gel towards the top. Okay, now, and the key is to hurry up and do it because eyebrow gel can dry quickly, and it can get kind of tacky. So if you didn't have enough, so you could just add a little bit more, like I did, and do the other side. Yeah, it's kind of hard because I'll be trying to make them twins, but a lot of times they'll be sisters. Now, if you probably hear a lot of makeup artists say sisters instead of twins, that means that you're trying to make the eyebrows identical, but nothing ever is identical. So they're just sisters. Now what you want to do is also take, I'm sorry I didn't mention this. This is like, I got this brush like a long time ago. And I know I told y'all to lightly do in the front, but it's okay. That's what concealer's for. You can fix it later. I'm going to tell you how to do it. Now, I got this brush a long time ago from my local beauty store. The name has been rubbed off, so it's like, girl. But you want to have a brush similar like this. I don't even know what you call this brush, but you kind of see it. Kind of like a flat, like a flat tip brush. But anyway, now the concealer, concealer is supposed to be like one skin tone lighter than your actual skin tone, but this actually blends well with my skin once I put foundation on and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to put a little highlight underneath the eyebrow, you can do that. So yeah, so you just want to take a good amount on your brush like that. Close it. And you want to just go underneath the eyebrow. I don't have enough on there, so I'm gonna get a little bit more. Now, you can choose to not go over, and you can stop here, wipe some off, blend it, and all that. But you know what? I'm going to show you how to really just sharpen. I feel like when you do the top of your eyebrow, it just sharpens it like to your liking. So I'm gonna do the top, and I'm not going to grab no more concealer. I'm not going to put no more on my brush, because if you put more, it's like, I just feel like it's more that you had to remove. You know, it's not needed. So a little to me goes a long way with anything I use. So I'm going to go over the top as well. Okay, now the crucial part. Now what you want to do, you want to take your brush and literally wipe off all the extra concealer onto the tissue, because when you blend, you don't want all that kicking up into, it's going to look like it's not going to be blended and look natural. So as much as you can, just rub some off. So now what you want to do is blend. Do you see? Do you even see it? Do you see that? Them eyebrows on point. I'm sorry. I'm convinced. I'm convinced. Now what you want to do is blend the front. Now if you want to leave it like this and just be you, rock out. But I wanted it to look natural, because that's the whole point. That's the whole point. So what we're gonna do is blend the front. Let's get that right here. Now what I do is I take my finger and I do this. And that's how you get a fierce eyebrow.
Won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey.
Guys, thank you for watching my video on Beauties by A. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up bell to know the next time I post. You can follow me on Instagram at prettylips_all-day. You can also follow me on Twitter at Asia Rose with two S's. Also add me on Facebook at Asiana Jefferson, Snapchat Asia Jefferson 81, and make sure you guys also go subscribe to my other channel, Asiana's Time, and follow me on those same social sites. You know, do whatever you gotta do, girl. Do whatever you gotta do, and make sure you always stay fleeky. Bye. See you in the next video.
While I'm out the country, let me get some Hennessy. While I'm chilling on the beach, I'ma count a couple G's. Let the server bring receipts. Double checking my expenses. Never messy, always neat, never ever.